They call me the architect of rumor, the whisper in the static home. I watch you chase the pleasure, clueless to the beat of my war drum. Black tar in my veins, feel the fire ignite, turning daydreams to endless night. Got that serpent's charm, that venomous bite, feasting on your fears in the pale moonlight. You wanted power, you call my name. Now you're just a puppet in my wicked game. Every sin you say, refuse a flame. There ain't no redemption, only glorious shame. Welcome to the Sabbath, feel the bass in your soul. Let the darkness take control, lose it all. This had ecstasy, the pleasure and pain. Screaming my name in the acid rain. Yeah. Let it burn, let it possess. Singing the bliss of the sweet wickedness. Glitch in the cold, the lie and the truth, the eternal corruption of wasting youth. Offer you the world on a silver platter. Watch insanity, that moral shatter. This ain't a fantasy, this is real life, son. Your paradise lost before it's even begun. Bow down to the one, the fallen angel's air, breathing in the smoke of your final breath. Welcome to the seventh, feel the bass in your soul. Let the darkness take control, lose it all. This ain't ecstasy, the pleasure and pain. Screaming my name in the acid rain. Yeah. Let it burn, let it possess. Seeing the bliss of the sweet wickedness. To the seventh, feel amazing. Let the darkness take control, lose it all. This ain't ecstasy, not pleasure and pain. Screaming my name in the acid rain. Yeah.